Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a new mindset. If you want to earning from this platform, I hope you will be keep watching my video and stay with me. Every day I try to video uploaded for crypto related news share to day by day upcoming information about crypto related. So if you want to stay with me, you will be gain. Okay, so if you want to earn from crypto world, so please following me. Every day I want to upload a video in this site. Some video will be for you income and also earning in this every time. So many of the video have I also short link in my video description box. So if you want to follow this, you will be easily earning from this site. Now I request you please joining my Telegram group, which name is Video Satoshi Gift Protection. If you want to earning from crypto related, and also you if you want to core mining, increase your core mining power, so I hope you must be join this. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. You will be easily many of the people try to share their hash card and gift card, so don't miss out. Now I go to my main topic. This site name is Teg Wallet. If you want to more earning from this site, you can do this. If you joining this site, you will get the 30 USD bonus free, and other option you if you subscribe their site and channel, you will be another another 50 $18 receipt. So more total you will be give from 48 USD dollar from this mindset. This site free mindset. So no required to deposit in this site. So you can easily earn it from this site. So now I go to my this site, how to join this and how to registration complete in this site. So first of click this link and in come to my video. Here is their home. uh, when you come to this site, you get this background. Okay, so it's not who are living Russian, Ukraine, and other related area, Bulgaria and Venezuela. They are also using this font, and you are but we also using English version. So click this first of click this option USA. Okay, then it will be changing. Okay, so that's the information. It's the registration process of the site. First of this platform, there is a 30 USD does gonna last for you. Already 27 USD mining from this site. Okay, so registration process I also show you. Click this option register. and click your email ID and type your password and also retype your password. Okay, and make this register option. Fill up this and then I'll back to you. I fill up all the information. Now press this register option. Data transfer. Okay, it will be some back. Okay, so you can save your password and ID. Otherwise, you can, if you want to know this, don't need it. And when you come to this site, you here is a background. Also, you receive $30. If you invite any friend or member, then you will get $12. Okay, so there is a another information I share you with you. If you using one IP from this site, you will be need to one IP. Otherwise, you cannot. If you do not using real IP, you cannot earn from this site. Okay, so you must be real IP needed. And now you subscribe from first of this. If you need to $15, first of subscribe this their channel. Please click this subscribe option. You need to you receive this and click this. Now click this start option. Okay. Then you back to this site. Okay. So I hope it will be got it. Okay. You receive 45 and now you joining their community. So when you click this option, you can sensor. Okay, so here is their community. So when it will be completed, then you back to this wallet and you will receive another $48. Your mining already is. So when you completed this your registration, you will be completed. Now you if you want to top up, here is a many type of method here. So Tether, Usd coin, DAI, and other option available, cryptocurrency available here. So if you want to so if you want to transfer from withdraw from this side, you select your option. Tether, TRC, $15 you will be if you withdraw from this side, and also Tron one, Doggy one also. So over here, so please click this option, wallet option, and withdraw amount. Then you click withdraw from this side. Easily you can withdraw from this side. Okay. I try to share with you this slide about information and how I hope you will easily join this site. Must be information show you one IP, one account. Okay, otherwise you cannot register this site. I hope you will stay with me and like my video. Okay, so that's the end of video. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.